Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make strawberry Snickers bars. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I recently heard about the Snickers Berry Whip candy bar. It's from India and appears to be a standard Snickers bar, but the peanut butter nougat has been replaced with strawberry nougat. That sounded like a pretty delightful combination, so it went straight to my to-do list, and here we are. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own strawberry Snickers bars, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup of butter, 15 caramels, 1 cup of roasted peanuts, 1 cup of white chocolate, 1½ cups of marshmallow fluff, 1½ teaspoons of strawberry extract, some red food coloring, and 2 cups of dark chocolate. I also used an 8x8 pan, some parchment, a saucepan, a hand mixer, a bowl, a cutting board, a spatula, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the baking pan. In a saucepan over medium heat, add the sweetened condensed milk and butter. Stir it until the butter is melted, then add the caramels and turn the heat to medium-low. Stir this continuously so the caramels don't burn. Remove the pan from the heat and immediately stir in the peanuts. Pour the mixture into the lined pan and smooth it into an even layer. Melt the white chocolate and combine it with the marshmallow fluff. You can do this by hand, but the mixer makes it a little fluffier. Add the strawberry extract and food coloring and mix until it's fully combined. The nougat in the Berry Whip bar is a light brown color, not all that different than the peanut butter nougat in the original Snickers. I decided to go with more of a pink color to accentuate the strawberryness. And I'd suggest tasting the nougat once it's mixed just to make sure you're getting enough strawberry flavor. Spread the nougat evenly over the caramel mixture. Place the pan in the freezer for at least 2 hours. Here's where I ran into some problems. I originally put mine in the refrigerator overnight, and when I removed it from the pan, it was incredibly sticky. I'm not sure why, as I've made both this caramel and nougat before and not had this problem, so I just decided to blame it on the weather. I put it into the freezer for an hour, which helped, but it was still pretty difficult to work with. So I'm recommending 2 hours in the freezer, cut it, then put it back in the freezer while you melt your chocolate. Place a bar in the melted chocolate, making sure it's completely submerged. Let the excess chocolate drain, then place the bar on a lined cutting board. Repeat with the remaining bars, then leave them on the counter until the chocolate sets. And that's it. If you're enjoying this video and would like to become a true compadre, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications for the channel. I'd love for you to join me in this confectionery caravan. Slancheva. Hokey smokes, this is good. I mean, Snickers is one of my favorite candy bars, so we're building on a good foundation, but that strawberry adds a lightness and a little tartness that really changes the entire Snickers experience. If you're looking for a new take on a traditional treat, you really ought to try these. I decided to go with more of a pink color to accentuate